Today's video will be a comparison with MAC NW45 Press Powder Foundation and Maybelline Super Stay 355 24-hour Press Powder Foundation. My left side, which is your right, will be the Maybelline 355, and my right side, which will be your left side, is the MAC NW45. I'm using sponges for each, and I have already primed my face with e.l.f. We'll start with the Maybelline. Left side, Maybelline Press Powder Foundation. That's the hybrid one, and I'm using a sponge. In the comments, let me know which one you like the best. Maybelline Super Stay 355. This is what it's looking like. I have very oily skin. Now we are going to this side that has nothing, which is my right, which will be your left. And this is my left, which will be your right. And this is the Maybelline 355 Super Stay Press Powder Foundation. Now we are going to use MAC on my right. I love a powder foundation because it's simple, it's quick, it's easy to use. If you're a beginner, a powder foundation is the perfect foundation to start with because it just applies nicely. You can manage it, you can manipulate it and make it work according to you, because the liquid one can really get away from you. So this is the MAC NW45. That's one of my favorites. MAC side NW45, and this is my right side, which will be your left, and Maybelline 355 Super Stay Press Powder Foundation on my left, which will be your right. Tell me which one you are liking. I'm going a distance and then I'll come a little closer, and you can tell me in the comments which one you think is the best shade or how they look on my skin. Thank you all again for watching. Stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.